I do my thing. Okay, so good evening, guys. We'll not go do much. You just let's check what the charts are showing us. Then we'll know how best to engage for the week. I think I mapped few pairs for myself, so we'll just go through them together. Okay, that was USDC share for the call. Again, any pair on one man we'll check together before. Let's start from there. Huh?
Can you please check GPA?
You are not loud enough. You are not audible enough.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Check pound Australian dollar.
Like GBP UD.
Yes.
Okay. GBP AUD. GBP AUD. Okay, let's see. What's your monthly day too? Okay. Monthly is clearly bearish to an extent at the common. Acting from me. Good. Engagement. So the monthly story they bearish to an extent. That's the monthly. The last month's low. See they open market. Hey, Muna mute. Muna mute. Hi. That's the monthly. Check the weekly. Let's see weekly. Weekly never react to any serious zone. Okay. We are still bearish even on the weekly. We are still bearish. Engulfing candle here. A 3 candle. That was it. Nice drop. Good. Broke below here. Came up again. Paired with this gap. 3 candle again. We dropped. So this was the last low that was taken. So on the weekly we are bearish. Monthly we are bearish. Then you go to daily. You check daily now. See previous engulfing candle day here. So it's still the same thing. Still the same thing. Good. There is an engulfing candle. That's nice. Then what you will need to check for. Okay, this one don't touch Abi. Maybe I have to touch it. Let's just okay. Work with this one. That's the engulfing candle behind. Work with that candle. Work with that candle. Then our 3-day stock, which is the first criteria, a thick body candle, the doji. Then my fear now be say this zone get multiple rejections. If for dey a little easier, if we had plenty sales or plenty buys, then this one happen. So this one when I just one candle before this stuff is a little risky, but since we get engulfing for here, let's believe this one will hold price for us. So that's the high. That's the high. Then this is the supposed low, our target. Then from there now you switch to H1. If you check your H1 properly now, this is an accumulation phase, little manipulation zone. Poster, no correction leg just yet. Now just impulsive push will happen. No correction leg don't happen just yet. So now we can't take any trading decision. We need something like impulsive push, small correction, impulse. Once you don't get this kind of leg finish, if you check it now, see your, what's it called, your three candle formation did already. This is a doji there already. So we will see it. So for now, no decision can be made judging from the H1 for now. Even on the H4 self, nothing can be made just yet. So we'll still wait. Do you understand? Hmm?
Yes, yes, I
Yes.
understand.
So now just one leg don't happen. So it never creates correction and impulse again. So we can't just trade yet. We'll still wait. So we don't check the what's it called? COT report day down for now. So nothing will be checked about COT. But let's check our DXY. Let's see. DXY.
Hear you.
We have. Let's go to the monthly. Mhm. Reaction. Okay. This is already taking. This is taking already. Chances the dollar will just drop this far, this lane. This lane. Seriously. Because this kind push reject here. Market supposed to do like 50% of that zone. So this sell now just small correction. If it were to be somewhere here, I could take this candle serious. But for now, I know to take it serious. So let's go for the weekly. The same thing. So we can exactly if we work with last week's high because at least we have plenty. What was it called here? So last week's high. This one this week is taking is paired with this extreme. So this one now can be your low exactly. So we expect sales on DX like this week. Just small sales, so small sales on DX like this week. So that's the weekly story. Then we go to your 4 hour charts. Also, if you see this one now, it's clear, but you see the impulsive push correction.
Yeah, correction
Exactly.
and yes.
Yeah. So the other one, whenever prints, we will leave them. We need to see those two legs. If you not see them, it's wrong. Seriously. So from here now, this one, this stuff gets space. I recall. CVC capital those things. I need charts when not get all those this thing. All these empty candles that I try best. But no other. You don't see your impulsive push, correction impulse. You check the stuff properly. The bearish move just started already, yeah. But this one, if you check and I know they see the candles properly well, so you can go back to your monthly, what's how they talk, your weekly stuff, right? If that is not so clear for you, you can go back to this stuff. You mark the high and the low of this doji, which is this one. But make sure say the impulse correction impulse, you don't see them already. But if you don't see clear points of entry, you go back, you mark the doji's low, that's the week and the week. Then you pick your Fibonacci tool or this stuff. Just get 50% of the zone, trade above it. Do we get? So most likely now
Okay.
we anticipate sales above the 0.5 down. Or if you what's it called? If you check the 4 hour chart now, the candles they a little messed up. I'm not really read them properly now. I can't read it properly now. So there at least our sales structure is sure. So you look for sales now above this impulse, above this correction level, and then you go find sales then. So the candle not look nice at all, not look nice. So that's it. What or sales this area. So once this thing they happen, once these sales they happen, you are looking for buys on all those other pairs. What's it called? EU, GU, and the other ones. You understand the DXY, have you?
Yes.
Then
Yes.
JPY. JPY baskets. JPY baskets. That's a short this thing. Let's check. Okay, monthly. Monthly, what's the monthly date too? Never Irish, push. Never Irish. But the monthly day bearish to an extent, as monthly story is bearish. Weekly self day little bearish. I'm coming. Okay. Weekly day a little bearish. Just that if you look at properly now, where this thick candle when I leave this week below. Then currently now Doji door close below them already. So most likely, what was it called? Basket should come for these highs because now this candle now leave this week below. And I told us about weeks number now price need to fill up. So now price don't fill this week or this previous week already now. So we can get Doji below. Then this last week candle now don't close above the high of this what's it called? The high of that Doji, signifying possible bullish push on what's it called on the basket. That's on the weekly. So you go to your daily, look for your shift exactly. See the last correction. Market up close above them already. You see the same thing, no? Impulsive push, correction, impulse. That happened already on the daily. Switch to H4. H4 data not so clear. We don't get that break already. We've had that break already. Coming. The price will move from. Okay. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. So anticipate bullish push on what's it called? On baskets. It's clear. Then if you see do your normal structure mapping, this is it. Impulsive push, correction, impulse. Once this thing happens, if you check the extreme there now, you have your three candle formation, you see get clear doji for there. So you anticipate what's it called? The higher prices from this zone now, probably here before the short. So anything make what's it called? Basket now gain strength towards this zone. We expect sales, we expect more sales on what's it called? UJ, EJ, GJ, and the other pairs then. So let's check now. Okay, we're supposed to check DXY pairs there. There's no comments. I don't know why. Would they follow Abby?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, boss.
And if you check here now, last month, we did inside the last month candle range. So we can't say much on that because now when either of the highs that they taking, we really get our bias clear. So now we see the inside last month candle. So the monthly story, nothing much to understand from there. You are inside the last, what was it called? The last month's candle. You check weekly can make sense more. What was it? You had your thick candle here, the clear doji. This one does sell, almost hit TP, rejected here. So the chances of closing fully here now don't they slim already because see what with the trade. Thick candle, a doji, and this of that. Still, we can see risk it. Can see risk because this one not close below here now. So chances of you see go short, they very chances of they go short, they very high. Then combined with the what's it called, the baskets that is showing possible bullish momentum JPY. JPY basket then show possible bullish momentum. If basket now should gain strength as we've seen already, then these sales will continue. So from weekly now, check your daily, what's daily go to. What can we see? Don't get this break for you. This break already. I have this break already. So that's it. This one sweep. Okay, this I should be taking. I'm coming. Let's go to 4 hours. Okay. Impulsive sell. No much data here. No much data. And this kind of thing most of the time, I'd always use this side to trade down. This zone here. I always use that to trade. Well, I'm coming. I'm gonna calm down. Let's check. 4 hours. Okay, nice. I don't see the candle for there. If you check your weekly, yeah, your what was it called? The first entry suppose they are above this high. It doesn't move already. Check your daily now. This zone. More like what was it called? Head and shoulder pattern to our next ones. But I think I like this. This one at doji there, so and it was impulsive. So if you find small confirmation inside that block and do it, but sorry, I'm coming now. Oh, yeah, now, come on, come on, come on. Shit go down. So we can mark this zone. We can mark this zone now. So a possible entry on the 4 hour time frame then. Go lower, go find your confirmation entry and the questions. So no clear lower time frame entry just yet. On what was it called? This one see there yet too. This candle see there here, impulse correction impulse. So we can still look for sales above here. You're on a week to end price need to prove it. Let's just wait for tomorrow candle to end. On Tuesday, we will see better. On Tuesday, we will see trade. This zone there here. Once this zone is taken, you can trade from this week here. Then this one as well is here. This one now could be like inverse head and shoulder pattern. So we'll get the first zone for here. Once this one is taken, we trade from here. That's on the H1. This one a very nice push to break here, impulse correction impulse. We can trade from this block. This one might not hold. We trade above here or this other extreme. As well as we cut as inverse head and shoulder. So we'll still wait. EJ never so clear. GJ. What? All these small things are the draw. Is that right? But we can see this something. This one be like flag. Why are they showing all these ones? It's not necessary. Monthly. You see monthly they show. Nothing much. They rejected this zone. Yeah. Weekly. Weekly rejected here. Yes, good. Okay. All these things all sell last week. That be the problem now. So they all sell last week. So now we carry engagement. How do we go about it? But the daily is on flip here. See your first impulse, correction, impulse. Okay. So let's say we are to engage here. That's if you follow the pro trend. So we need to wait now for price to come here. Then we join the short because that's our impulsive push, correction, impulse. We broke below here already. But if you check here now, this candle check this candle. So most likely this high should be taken. You can see if we get small counter trades before we reach that place. Start the time on price. See it on Wednesday. So see, we'll just wait. I don't counter much. We'll just wait. We'll wait for this extreme. So GJ is setting already. Impulsive push, correction, impulse. So we'll wait here. We see the draw trend line too. It's still, if you draw trend line, it's still the same thing. The same thing. With the first high, second high. That's it. So you anticipate possible sales for where these two people meet. Yeah, and where they meet. So anticipate sales there. Let's check our 4-hour charts. Good. So the check 4-hour is clear now. Impulsive sell, correction, impulse. We check that origin and what it did there. Very nice 3-day formation. Or your doji is there as well. So we'll look for sales around this zone on GJ. So GJ is clear. GJ dot prints clearly already. So we'll wait for that one. Which other one? AUDJPY. UDJPY. AJ. Let's see there. Monthly, nothing much. Weekly, you reject this one, sure. But you take previous weeks are okay, yes. This one go well. So most likely now, we should be coming for these lows. And I dare that waka start from that's the origin. So this one swept. Then you go to your daily. Let's see what the last days did. Everything did bearish. Slightly bearish. Check H4, H4 they do. The same thing, impulsive sell, correction, impulse. What do you do? Look that place. Small doji did there. That's a very small doji, so we'll wait till the price get there. No need to hurry. We'll wait till the price gets there, then we'll short. So wait, yeah. No need to hurry. Wait till the price get to that zone, then we'll go short. We'll go short there.
Okay, boss.
Then card JPY, card JPY. Let's see let's check monthly. Nothing much. Weekly. Okay, this one sick. Okay, good. Then you go to your daily. Moving on, right? Okay, that's when that we used. Check it for what do you have? Impulsive sell correction, impulsive. We'll wait for this zone. Wait for this zone. If that zone fail, see your candle from here, your sharp doji. That's it. So we go quickly see sales for card JPY past the other pairs themselves. So card JPY is a little confirmed already. It's a little confirmed already. See the impulsive push, correction, impulse. You have a doji there. Then you have this zone acting as your left at the previously formed shoulder. Market rejected here. Rejected. So the chances say it go reject here too, they're very high. So if this one break, we'll trade from this direction. So that's that for card JPY. Which other one? We don't check AJ. Okay, NZD. Okay, CHF JPY, they said.
CHF JPY.
CHF JPY. This was my last week mark on monthly. Nothing serious. Weekly, fine. See our nice 3-day stop. They don't finish already, safe. Yeah. Now what I tell now say we need the work together. You gotta check pairs. For me, I dey forget most times. I dey forget most of the time. I feel analyze finish, forget to check. Safe. That's the problem with me. So this one I don't hit TP already. But since basket suppose they bearish. 10 minutes more. I know we rejected here. These zones still dey here. Market might react from here. Because the sales never finish. This is an rejection. That's the weekly zone. Good. Let's check 24 hour at the top. The same thing. Impulsive sell, small correction. So we'll wait for that zone. This one not dey taken already. Not dey taken already. We'll just wait for that zone. We'll wait. It's gonna be like W now. So not a trade patterns again. So we'll wait. Let's just wait. All these zones all move already. So these are don't move. These are don't move. So no need to rush. We'll just wait. CHF JPY is not all that clear. Not all that clear for now. But to wait for this zone, this block here, this week might move price down. So wait for this zone. So we'll check USD card. I thought I saw something nice before. Saw something nice. I'm coming. Wonder. Okay. So if you check your monthly, we see monthly they do. They reject the previous zone. Weekly, they reject to daily. 3 candle dot form. So now market started from here to here now. So we anticipate towards the 50%. Yeah, now there they go already. So I know why. So what the 4 hour they do? These sales don't move already. So now that's after I miss the other day. So but let's check if we can get something out of this place. What is it called? Get how did they mark MO if they trade, if you sabi trade patterns that time. Once you just see your what's it called, your MO pattern like this, most of the time you go most likely come back this neckline, continue the sales. Because I know say these sales never finish. So I will most likely wait. And if you check that neckline now too, a very nice, what's it called, hammer reject here. So I will most likely expect sales for here. Then if you sabi SMC small, of which I don't want Dragon to enter yet, you can take this high as your IDM, your inducement should be here. IDM should be here. So we'll trade from this zone. The sales for this thing never finish. This thing sales never finish. Look. From here now it starts good. So till this 0.5 is complete, the sales never finish. So we're engaged somewhere here. I will wait for sales here on this particular asset. I go short here, target this zone. Do we understand? Then I just normal basic forex when everybody do double top. This zone rejected. I will wait and sell there. I will short it. That's USD card. And it's still because what's it called? DXY is showing what's it called to sell intent to not be just blind something. No. It will show sell intent. I told us already. DXY don't give you a 3, so it should go down a little to this one before anything. So anything make DXY they sell, USD card as well should follow. So now why I will find retracement to join above this X there. The USD CHF, I see mixing. I don't know. Okay, una get any pair on check? Do we have any pair to check?
Me, I not get. I never check.
Okay, this one don't almost finished too. See the plenty buys doji from this sell. Check your H4, we see happen for there. Impulsive sell, correction, impulse. So above this place now, we will find sales above there. But this particular block where we will sell from is not so certain just yet. I think I saw something. I don't know why. I don't know how I carry marker again. Okay, fine. Price fit not reach that tight. It fit not reach that. We'll just wait. We'll just wait. That's this last candle here. Now mark refine for there. So most likely price come there or short it not come. No worry. So that's. Then gold when carry us play last week. Good. We don't mark them before. Okay, no. Check your monthly, nothing much. Weekly. Weekly they confusing in the sense that price rejected where then this thing they bearish. So you go to your daily. This one they print different candles from the one I use on analyze. Now why I dey always tire for gold with this. So all these different brokers, every broker get your own prices when you tire the close and all that. So if you check here now, gold rejected this zone. See this nice rejection here. But this thing see they bearish to an extent. So check your daily. But this kind of thing normal from PDRs, ICT, whatever. You're supposed to look for buys for this low. You sell premium, you buy discount. So sell for this zone, they risky, like fucking risky. So let's check what the daily they do. Well, if you check your daily, like 3 candle we see for here when made me one sell that last week, but somehow some injure me, and you guys can see the reason. I always tell us if you can see plenty color candles, plenty same color candles before that doji is always advisable. This one are just one candle doji come from. It failed that day. It failed so. I always tell now this thing you don't need to be right all the time. If not just one setup you see the whole week or trade them confidently make your money. You don't need to trade every day. So I'll say gold for now is still not so clear. So we'll trash it. Then we'll show that clear. Euro cards, anything there. So make una go through una pairs. Yeah, anyone you see that we can trade, you drop it on the group. Are they free? I will look them together. If not they free, the same thing. So this one is clearly bearish. This one is clearly Euro card. The bearish intent they much. Bearish intent they much. So we should be coming for these lows. They say I'm having thick candle. This one closed inside well. So we expect sales. Check the weekly. Weekly got rejected already. Go to your daily. Got reject too. So let's check for our sales structure. I missed this trade last people. See impulsive sell, correction, impulse. Check it out, the doji. I don't know what I do. I marked this thing. I forgot to check. So we'll get a long way to go. Now you have to find correction moves and you're engaged. AMD don't play out for here. Accumulation here, manipulation, distribution, the follow. So we'll find continuation on this pair and engage. This pair will sell for a long while. This pair, this zone, determinant is little. So the trend is clear already, it's bearish. Now you have to find re-entry to go short. Like long term, this pair is supposed to sell well. So almost 200 pips to the downside. So moon and monitor Euro card well. The selling intent is sure for these months. Huh?